that nigga. And all my young niggas pulling triggers, we gorillas. We let this bitch off until you feel us. For you niggas that's always on IG with them yiggies.
Hey guys, welcome back to a new video, and in today's video what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be showing you how to get Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Premiere Pro. So I'm going to leave a link to these downloads in the description. I've already downloaded them. It says I haven't downloaded Photoshop, but I have. I'll just go on settings now, my files. Photoshop and Premiere Pro, so we'll just click on them both. Just get rid of that. There we go, we got Premiere Pro. We'll just minimise this. Photoshop and Premiere Pro. So what you're going to do with Photoshop, just going to drag this file down to here. It will take a little while. What I recommend doing with Premiere Pro, just minimise that. Go onto your downloads, Premiere Pro. Just drag that onto your desktop. Let's see, I've already got it there. I can't really be asked to do the Premiere Pro because it takes a little while. Once that's there, like that is. So with Photoshop, you're just gonna go onto it and you're just gonna click Setup. So that's gonna be loading, and then you click Continue, and then it'll start installing. I'm just gonna close this because I don't want to install it again. I just wanted to do that to show you that it will install it, but I don't want to install it again because I've already got it. And then with Premiere Pro, just gonna hit Setup. Continue, and then it will start installing. So now that they would be installed, I'm just going to show you. So Premiere Pro, that's that there, and it's down here. So it's just going to click on it. As you can see there, it's loading. And here we go. It'll load everything. Go on this. There, as you can see, it's got everything on here. So yeah, that's that. Just gonna close that. That's not even responding. Close the program. If it does that whilst you're on the app, then we just want to do is just click wait for it to respond. And if you've got Photoshop, normally when I load on Photoshop on it, it says it's not responding. But it's going to do it now because oh no, maybe not. That time it didn't. Wow. So sometimes it will, sometimes it won't. But yeah, you just want to hit wait for respond. As you can see, like it works. You can go over here, do whatever. Like you can do all this stuff with it. 3D, don't know what that is. Painting. Yeah, so that's the only video that I've got for today. I hope you guys enjoy using Photoshop and just this video in general. So make sure you subscribe, like, and leave a comment if you can or if you want to. And I'll see you guys in the next video.